This cat gently pet this bird, and the bird didn't seem to be bothered.
How are you still asleep, little boy? Oh my gosh. Oh, good morning. Good morning. Hi. Hey. Hey.
Some people have to wait for the bus to get to work, while this guy waits to get on a giant moving ship. This cat doesn't want this cord to be plugged in. If you set up a time-lapse of the night sky and point it directly at the North Star, you will notice something interesting. As the Earth rotates, the other stars move, but the North Star stays still. This is why it's called the North Star, because it will always be in the northern sky. Here's a cool time-lapse showing how the continents were formed over millions of years. Here's a cat that really wanted to get some treats. These surfers had no idea that a massive whale was swimming right below them. That's the end of this video. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.